Hello guys, today I will show you how to use Uniswap and Pancakeswap. I will show you how to swap and how to participate in pool. You will learn how to stake your coins in pool 2K to earn some rewards. First of all, you will need MetaMask. The explanation video of installing MetaMask is in the description. Then you will need to buy some coins. I recommend Binance. You can buy with the credit card. Buy some tokens. For Uniswap you will need ERC20 tokens, and for Pancakeswap you will need Binance Smart Chain. Of course, after updating the networks in your MetaMask, buy some coins, select the network, put your address, select the coin, then withdraw. After you load your MetaMask, go to Uniswap, select the pair and select the coin you want to buy. If you can't find the coin here, don't worry, you can add it manually. Just go to the coin contract address, copy it, make sure it's the real coin and not a spam. Make sure you have an antivirus, because if you get hacked you will lose all the money. Go back and put the coin address, select the coin, put the amount you want to buy, then click buy. You can join the pools and stake some ETH or USD to get some rewards. I don't recommend using Uniswap because the fee is so high. For that, let's go to Pancakeswap. The fee is less than $1 for the transaction. You need to change the network to the Binance Smart Chain. Then go to the trade, select the pair, I am buying some VPAD. Let's find VPAD address. I think VPAD is not available in the Binance Smart Chain, only on Ethereum. It's the same as the Uniswap. Put and click swap, confirm, then you will be asked to confirm in the MetaMask. It's easy. After some time you will get used to it. Here you will find some pools you can join and earn reward. I already staked some cake. The website is very slow. You can also buy NFTs. That's it all. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to get more crypto content.